1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10 short box here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's had a 5.3 liter V8 swap done to it. 4L60E automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Holley fuel injection system added to it. So definitely a more modern drivetrain setup to it. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video, let you hear it run. First, take a look at the chrome, the grille, everything up front. Doe skin tan, canyon copper, two-tone. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726. As you can see, disc brakes up front, US mag wheels. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Paint's, I'd call it kind of a patina look to it, if you will. Did notice there's a few ripples in this door too, just so you're aware of that, if you can see that in the video there. I also left the side glass up so you can see that the windows are tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of darkness you can have with the window tint. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome rear bumper. That appears to be in pretty fair shape. This vehicle was a lifelong southern truck before coming to the north. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Of course, these short box square bodies becoming more and more popular as time goes on, let alone to find one that is this solid above the wheel wells, cab corners, and all the way around it. Take your time, again, looking through the still pictures. Is paint on it perfect? Absolutely not. It's got that patina look to it. Fun one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and again, those still pictures. Take your time looking through the underside, interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. We're going to start it up here too towards the end of the video. Take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this truck down the road, show you how it drives out. Of course, the Silverado, be nicely equipped, power windows, power locks. Bench seat up front, of course. Tilt column. Very stock looking dash with the exception of the EFI controller and a little more modern retro sound style radio. And let's go ahead and start it up. Just like to do on these fuel injected ones. Turn the key till your screen comes up. Don't need to touch the gas pedal, turn the key. Top of the dash looks good. Good sounding truck too. There you hear what it sounds like with a little throttle. Headliner good, sliding rear glass. Doesn't appear to be any major rips, tears, holes in the seat. Door closes nicely, and again, take a look at those lower cab corners. Whoops, sorry about that. Slip around, take a peek down this passenger side too. I'll give you an idea on those lower rockers above the wheel wells. Nothing crazy over the top or exhaust, just a good sounding truck. Alright, back up to the front here. Let me pause this a second. Let's check out this engine bay. See how that looks. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Aluminum radiator. Headers. Again, 5.3 liter. Holley EFI installed on it. Power steering, power brakes, cold air intake down here. remember, like I said before, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to drive this thing down the road, set a camera in there, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10, 5.3 swap, 4L60E automatic with overdrive. So nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, overdrive truck. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1986 Chevrolet C10. It's not quite stock. We've got lowered truck here for handling. Down below you might be able to see the screen, which is displaying our ignition timing, air fuel ratio, idle up air control, RPM, battery, and more. For factory gauges we do have, the fuel gauge is reading almost empty. Oil pressure gauge is pegged, that one may not work. Battery gauge is showing that we're charging. Coolant temperature is also just below 100, that may not work. Really smooth running, strong running truck. We have definitely got some upgraded brakes. They work very well. Letting go of the wheel on the road here, we're staying nice and straight. That implies we have a good alignment. Doesn't pull to either side. Inside it mostly appears to be a stock truck. We've got stock looking cloth seats, bench seat. If it weren't for being a little low and some larger wheels, it'd be a sleeper truck. Definitely some excellent acceleration.